How's it going, guys? This is Super BV, and welcome to Minecraft. This is going to be my other survival series, parallel to me and the Vanishing Pie. And I'm keeping it as close as possible to normal Minecraft, vanilla Minecraft. But you can see I do have mods. I have some mods installed. Uh, So let's go and take a look at my mod list. So I've got like I've got mods like I've got NEI, I've got Raise Minimap, I got Tree Capitator, this one here, Bombs Aplenty. Just not really like major mods, but mods that will like just change the way Minecraft is played. So let's jump into it. And let's see. So, and also another mod that I have, a big mod that I have, is the Weather and Tornadoes mod. I'm playing with the Weather and Tornadoes mod. Uh, so I'm just gonna get into a story why I'm doing it and why. Allow cheats. Why not? I'll keep it on. Seed generator. I'm gonna leave that blank. But now, why am I playing with this mod? Well, as a kid, as when I was younger, I hated thunderstorms. I absolutely hated them. I hated just the sound of the lightning, or the sound of, yeah, because totally lightning makes sound. But no, the thunder, the sound of the thunder, the flash of lightning, I hated it. And I hated tornadoes. The thought of a tornado just freaked me right out. So I just didn't. Oh no, my Minecraft. There we go. Uh, I just hated the thought of a tornado just moving through and just destroying everything. So why am I playing it now? Well, I kind of figured that, well, time to face my fear and man up, pretty much. Man up to my fear. Because it's time. It's time for me to do that. Another mod, if you have just noticed, is the Enviromine mod, because you can see down on the corners of the map there. Uh, Another mod that I have installed, I'm just listing mods right now, is the Iron Chest mod, because, you know, who wants to build like 300 million wooden chests or normal chests when you could like build like 4 obsidian chests? I mean, like, yeah. And we can already see that the wind is picking up a bit. So, yeah, those are the mods that I'm going to be playing with. Ooh, I can already see a jungle, or not a jungle, but a desert temple thing. So, I'm going to go and scavenge it. Okay. Ooh. Wow, that is noisy. Uh, yeah, wow, okay. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, oh, Super BB, how did you do that? You have to go into the configuration file, and in there you will. Oh, right, because I've got the Environment mod, and it just loves to just throw blocks down there. I think I might want to. Yeah, yeah. So those are the mods that I'm playing with. Ooh, leg spike there. Not very well. But no, how I got that menu up is the numpad on the keyboard. I hit the plus key, but first though, you have to go into the you have to head into the configuration folder as soon as you load up the mod in a game. For I think it's only once. You need to only do it once. And yeah, you'll get the configuration folder for the Weather and Tornadoes mod, and you'll be able to do that. So, let's see. Another point to make. This this episode is just gonna be me making points about the actual. You can see down on my bottom. Well, for me, and for you, it'll be the same. The bottom left-hand corner of the actual thing there, you can see what looks like a well, if you heard that, I'm not sure if you can or not. My neighbors are out in their yard. Their kid, my neighbors' kids are out in their yard having fun, and I'm sitting in here playing Minecraft for you guys. Yeah, no, that's my water and my okay. That's my water gauge and my actual temperature. So you can see right now that my current temperature is 47 degrees. Well, that's how warm like the actual air around me is, I think. I'm not too sure though. How am I gonna get down here? I think I'm just gonna like, I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna build a crafting table and I need water. I'm uh, I'm almost at half water, which that's bad. Because I think you can actually like like you know like start dehydrating in this mod. So I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. Oh, okay. What? No, I'm gonna punch it to death, or not. Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. So, and also, I'm saying also a lot. Another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. Either maybe in the top right hand, top left hand. I don't know. I'm gonna put a death counter as well. So in case I do die, it'll show how many times I have. Like a total noob that I am. And wading boots. What mod are these from? I don't even know. Let's get that out of here. And I just noticed that, ooh, that's perfect. Gold is your friend in this mod. Lots of it, and iron as well. And some of this. Oh, actually, I was gonna totally gonna collect all the explosives. I can't speak. I can't think today. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. And okay. Well, I guess I'm chiseled. You know, I'm just gonna place this smooth. Oh no, I'm off today. I had a late night last night. I didn't get to sleep until about 2:30 in the morning. I know that might. Oh, actually, you know, wow, that's. It starts telling you. It starts blinking like, "Hey, listen, you need water, or you're gonna die." So let me Where did I put? Oh, I left my crafting table up there. Oh. Okay, let me head up there. This might be a close call. What the heck happened here? Oh, right, creeper. Never mind. I'm a derp. I am a derp. So where did I put it? Oh, I need to really stop running. That's a bad habit that I have, and oh, let's see. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Can I like swim in it? Swim in the water and like. Oh, I hope I don't start dying. Oh, I likely am too. You know, whatever. I'm like. Is there a cave under here? Anywhere? I think there is. I bet there is. Pickaxe. I think we're gonna find out. I should see. I should just let myself. Wow. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna keep that up for the time being, so I can just watch this. I don't think tornadoes can spawn without a thunderstorm, but then again, I have seen it in other videos, like other people's video. Wow, that's loud. That that wind is loud. Wow. Okay, I might sleep. Let's see. But yeah, no. Wow, that's wow. Okay, that's kind of crazy. To be completely honest. That can go in there because I only need really 3. That can go there. That can go there. And boom, there we go. Sleeping. Oh no, I'm getting low on water. Oh no. Okay, you can. Okay, yeah, you totally can too. Okay, no, I'm just gonna accept the death. It'll add wow. It'll add a one to my death counter. But whatever. Just gonna pick up all the rest of the stuff here. And that can go there, that can go there. Wow, okay, that wind is loud. Oh my. Oh, 3? Okay, wow. I'm like turning all this into I should turn down my sound just a little bit. There you go. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and make more of these glass bottles. Another 3, and I'm gonna go fill them all up with water. Go. And I need one more. It's okay. It's okay. And boop. There we go. Booping for days. Booping for days. There we go. And let's go fill these up while I let the other stuff. There we go. And so I'm gonna. Ooh, excuse me. I'm going to just throw all these up here into the second row of my inventory. I likely won't. Can I like? Oh yeah, totally. Wow, you can really, even with my sound turned down a bit, you can still even hear the, wow, okay. And boom, there we go. Perfect. Doop, doop, doop. And that can go up here. And let's, actually, what kind of biomes do we have near us? We've got that jungle. I mean, like, I guess we could go and, I guess we could go and live in the jungle, but I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if my map changes. And nothing yet. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're seeing something over here. Uh, right here. Well, actually, you can't see me because I'm actually pointing at my screen right now. But right, if we keep heading in that direction, we will hit a flatlands biome, which is what I kind of want. I kind of want a flatlands biome, just for the simple fact that. Hold up a second. Yeah, everything is all good. There we go. And you can see that I am playing on easy. Not that I don't like playing on hard. I do like the challenge, but I don't want, like, I've got still, like, I don't want to have to deal with mobs as well. Like mobs, I want to have on an easier difficulty. So yeah, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna relocate and move. And I don't have a pickaxe. Okay, well that can go there. And can I make like a sandstone? Nope, I guess not. And that can go there. I'll just make a wooden one for time being. No, not a hoe. Don't waste your diamonds on a hoe, kids. Oop, go. Go. And go. So, another question that some of you, or maybe all of you, will have, because I'm probably gonna turn this into like seasons, like I see some YouTubers do, who do tornado mod survivals. I'm gonna leave that up to you, whether I should turn this into like season after season of me trying to do something in Minecraft. I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave it up to you. You guys, as the viewers, will get to make the decision whether I live in or turn. Okay, that's well, rotating particles are rotating particles are kind of high. Normal particles are really high. Normally, you don't really see that. Wow. Okay, I need to go build a house. Or at least find like a house location. At least. There we go. Nice. I'm thinking somewhere around here because we've got this nice jungle biome. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, it's coming. Hi, Enderman. Hey there, Enderman. How's it going? Please say you got that reference, guys. There we go. Okay, I need water. Okay, wow. That's fine by me. That's fine. And still not a good house location anywhere. I don't know, I'm really picky when it comes to like houses and where I live. I don't know why. I, I, I just am like that. I'm just like that. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. Okay. That, I almost got a heart attack by that. Is that a... What is... Okay. Hold up. I'm just gonna go and investigate here for a second. Did I miss something? Did I... You see this on the map, right, guys? Did a tornado pass through? Oh, no. It's just a... Okay. We're good. Oh, that startled me. If you didn't know what happened here, I saw this ravine, and I immediately thought, because on the mini map it looks a lot like a storm has been through here. Then again, it wasn't raining, so. And I know there's iron down there, but you know what? I'm gonna hold off. I'm going to hold off on that thought. I'm not sure whether I like it in here or over here. So many choices, so little time. Because I do want to have like a proper house built before like something does hit. Uh, before we do get rain. Eh, I'm almost tempted to have a treehouse. Then again, tree houses. Huge amount of wind. But what winds? If you say treehouse, you're gonna be wrong. I'm sorry to say. But no, in all seriousness, like I do want to get a house built before like, before something happens. Like I don't want it to. If it does like start raining like right now, and even to the point where it does increase, like the power does increase, or storm intensity does increase, I'm going underground. I'm gonna dig. I'm gonna use my digging skills. But no, like I could totally like shape this mountain out to be a good. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still. It's this whole thing is. Oh, oh, I don't like that wind increase. Like immediately right before going to bed. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, yeah, no, I'm too paranoid right now. I'm gonna dig in. It's above me. Looks like stone. We're good. So, yeah, go. I'm just gonna increase it just by a little bit more. Wow, that wind is just crazy out there. Wow. I wish it would calm down a bit out there. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this at all. Oh boy. Do I have any more? Okay, I'm gonna use one, two. There we go. Just to make some torches. Go, go, there we go, and there we go. Perfect. Now, actually, no. Because I'm gonna be expanding this one back that way. And there we go. There we go. Okay, time to. There we go. speaking about water. Ah, there we go. I got my usual glass of water here. That's a creeper. Hi, Mr. Creeper. I'm just gonna go back in here for the time being. I also set uh, storms are like I set the minimum days between tornadoes as 1. So potentially right after a day we could already see a tornado. So that's yeah, it doesn't leave a warm feeling in your heart. But, I could expand upon this. Oh, how much is it? Uh, 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 there we go. Okay. And let's see. How? Okay, this goes. Oh, I like this. Okay, I know we're gonna settle right here, right where our little shack is that we spent the night in. Yeah, we're living here. We are living here. And that can go down. That can go down. And I don't have a flint and steel. That could pose as a problem. I was gonna use this dynamite to help me clear some stuff out. But I hope that's not oh yeah. Okay. I mean, like, I won't be going up that far, but that just leaves an uneasy feeling into my mind. Uh, my inventory is no, 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 no. There we go. There we go. That's better. And yeah, go. Okay. Eh, there we go. So far, still no severe weather. Why? The environment mod is just becoming more of a hassle than a. Wait, whatever. I'm going back down. There we go. Let's see. I think it's time for a small expedition. But I need to go. I need to place down some torches. Where do my torches go? Oh, there they are. They're in my inventory, actually. And my bed, my crafting table, and my furnace. Right now, this is our house. Kind of a small house, but why not? Why not? I mean, like, it does the trick. It physically does the trick. I don't know. I don't know anymore, guys. And go door, so monsters don't come out. And what's the? Okay, wow, it's still like noon. And I also need food as well. Okay. And wow, what's with the wind? And the wind is just like just being like, no, I'm gonna be windy. And I wish I could have a better way of getting down there. So let's see. Let's run on over to this ravine that I swore was a tornado swath, but apparently it wasn't. And let's see, how am I gonna get down in here? You know what? There's that water over there. There's also water. There's water. Actually, you know what? Ooh. There's a nice little stream. There we go. Nice. And I'm down. Okay. The particle blocks just... Oh, then again, I guess I'm near water. So that would obviously make sense. What you don't want is the normal particles and the rotating particles to jump. And I need to drink. Ah! Oh no, really? Oh no. This is not good. Oh, my NEI is in cheat mode. Okay. Oh, why? I don't want it to be my second death. I think it is. Ow. Ow. Why does it keep giving me Ow. 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 That's two. Wow, why do I keep getting dehydration when I drink? Oh, that's kind of stupid, actually, really. I'm not sure if the Environmind mod is going to be in the next episode, because this is just annoying. Every time I go to drink, it's like, no, you can't because, I don't know. Stupid reasons are stupid. That's why. Already... I already... Ugh. What are the waiting boots even for, though? What are the... I wonder what the waiting boots are even for. Let's see. Wow, okay, wind. Go home, wind, you're drunk. Quite literally. So every time I drink, I get dehydration, which just makes my thirst go down even more. That's great. Mm-hmm. Oh, I was just glitching there. Wind. Wind. But I've got to get stuff done because, like, just because, like, just because there's, like, a chance of a tornado doesn't mean you just don't go outside. Like, even though there's a chance of you getting into a car accident, does that mean you drive in your vehicle? I mean, like, no, it probably doesn't. That's a stupid reason for not driving in a vehicle. It's like, oh, just because I... No, your reasons are invalid. And I can't reach. Oh no. Alright, yeah. Yeah, nope. Let's go for this stuff here. And there we go. Okay. Settle down, guys, settle down. But, now, because we are coming up to the, well, we're at about 35 minutes here. I think pretty soon here I'm going to end off this episode. Don't worry though, survival with the vanishing pie will still continue. That is still going to be going on. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using the Environmind mod, because in the next episode, like, I mean, like, I probably could, and it wouldn't be that much of like a zombie. Go. And I'm punching a zombie to death. Ah. Oh, crap. Pulling off the deeks. Pulling off the deeks. There we go. And sleeping. Because I kind of have to. And iron can go in there. Cup. No. No. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. It's really annoying. Okay, that. Okay, really. Like, shut up out there. I don't care about your needs. Your needs are worthless. Ow. Okay. That hurts a lot. You know what? Screw you. Neener, neener, neener. If I do too much of that, you'll get fat. I apologize for that. That was completely and utterly my fault, and I'm gonna just stop hitting the shift button. Stop it! Does it give me... Yeah, it does. Why? That's really stupid, actually. Stop it! Why does it give me dehydration? Anyway, let's see what... I'm gonna set some goals here to accomplish in the next episode. We need these things right here. The sensor and the siren. Zombie, I swear I'm gonna kill you. Shut up out there. Go. You know what? Okay, that's broken. I'm screwed. Come on. Clutch the win. Clutch the win. Yes. Oh, no, look at it. Yes, I got his gold boots. Okay. I'm I'm not gonna put them on. I'm just not going to at the moment. Oh, that was so close. I thought I was gonna die. And use this last piece of wood to do that. Oh, there's a skeleton. Oh, I don't like you. I don't like you at all right now. You know, in, instead of expanding our house right now, I'm just gonna live where we are. Because I mean, like, it doesn't matter. Well, it kind of does matter, but as of right now, we don't need that. We don't need a whole lot of space at the time. I mean, like, if we want to, we can expand later on and do all that fun jazz stuff. Yes, because we're going to be jazzing. And, okay. You know what? That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. It's going down. I just noticed that the rotating particles just spiked. And that really doesn't put me in a good feeling. Stop it. You know what? I'm just going to, like, not hit the shift button at all. The shift button at all. Not the ship button, but the shift button. I don't know. Go. So let me just collect a few more pieces of wood here. But then I think I'm gonna call this episode here. I yeah, I'll just do my outro here right now. Yeah, I'll just collect these last two pieces of wood and then I'll start heading back to home and then I'll do my outro. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I forgot with the shift button again. Hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of Tornado Survival. I don't know if this is going to become season 1 or whatnot. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said again, if you did like this, press all those relevant buttons down below. I'm just gonna stop with the with a listing them because you don't want to hear that. I know you guys don't. I need to stop with the shift. I'm never gonna learn. Anyway, I'm Super BV. And I'll see you.